You've probably seen all those videos, right? The ones promising you can make a fortune with AI overnight. But here's what they usually leave out: the actual skills you need to build a real, sustainable career. So today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to focus on three, count them, 1, 2, 3, specific high-value skills that can genuinely shape your future.
So, this is the question on everyone's mind, isn't it? Is AI this big, scary thing that's here to take all our jobs? Or is it the single biggest opportunity, a gold rush for our generation? Well, the truth is, the answer really depends on whether or not you have the right skills. To show you exactly what I mean, let's look at 3 numbers that tell the whole story.
Okay, number 1, the money. A recent PwC report found that professionals with AI skills are already earning a staggering 56% more than their peers. And let me be clear, that's not some prediction for the future. That is happening right now.
Number 2, the demand. By 2027, India alone is going to need 2.3 million AI professionals. Think about that. This isn't just a small trend, it's a huge, fundamental shift. It's creating this massive gap between the jobs that are available and the number of people who are actually qualified to do them.
And for our third number, let's talk about the sheer scale of this thing. The generative AI market, it's projected to absolutely skyrocket to nearly $688 billion by 2030. So yeah, the gold rush is very, very real. The question is, how do you get your piece of it? Well, it all starts with skill number 1. So let's dive into our first skill, AI programming. I like to think of this as being an AI architect. Now, you got to forget everything you think you know about old school coding. The future isn't about writing rigid, step-by-step instructions. It's about teaching machines how to learn, how to make decisions, and, how to solve problems more like a human would.
And you can see the fundamental shift right here. Traditional coding, it always had this super high barrier to entry, right? It could take years to get good. But now, with AI assistants like GitHub Copilot, that barrier is so much lower. The focus has completely moved from just pure logic to really understanding data and using these powerful frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. It's a whole new ballgame.
And the market totally backs this up. I mean, according to Naukri.com, AI and machine learning jobs grew by 38% in just 1 year. And just look at these salaries in India. A fresher, someone just starting out, can make between 4 to 12 lakhs. A senior architect, we're talking 80 to 90 lakhs here. That is serious.
But okay, here's a crucial reality check. Watching a couple of YouTube tutorials is not going to land you one of those high-paying jobs. Let's be real. The real demand is for advanced concepts, things like agentic AI, where you're building AIs that can actually act on their own. Companies, they're not looking for hobbyists. They're hiring experts who can build real enterprise-level applications.
All right, let's move on to our second skill. This one is all about mastering the art of communication with AI. It's called prompt engineering, or as I like to call it, being an AI whisperer. So if the architect builds the powerful engine, the whisperer is the one who knows exactly how to talk to it to get every last drop of power and efficiency out of it.
Now, this might actually surprise you, but prompt engineer is one of the fastest-growing job titles in India right now. The market for just this one skill is expanding at an incredible 32.8% every single year. It makes sense, right? As more and more businesses use AI, they desperately need people who can speak its language fluently.
So how do you become a whisperer? Well, you can start right here with the simple 4-step framework. It can honestly make your prompts 10 times more effective. Number 1, define the role. You got to tell the AI who to be. Act as a brand strategist. Number 2, provide data. Give it context. Give it examples. Number 3, make a clear demand. Tell it exactly what to do. Analyze this, summarize that, create something new. And finally, number 4, request the format. Ask for bullet points, a table, whatever you need. This simple structure turns a basic question into an expert-level command.
And that brings us to our third and final skill. And frankly, this is the most advanced one. It's AI agent development. Think of this as being the conductor of an entire digital orchestra. I mean, if you were worried about AI taking one job, this skill is about creating and managing an entire autonomous workforce that could potentially do the work of whole departments.
And let's be super clear here. We are not talking about simple chatbots. Not at all. AI agents are intelligent systems. They can understand what's going on around them, they can adapt, they can learn, and they can even work together with other agents to solve really complex problems. They don't just follow instructions. They think, they plan, and they act independently.
And if you need proof of where this is all heading, just look at this chart. In 2024, the AI agent market is already worth over $5 billion. But check out that projected growth rate, an incredible 44.8% every year. That's not just growth, that's an explosion. This is absolutely where things are headed. And you can see why it's growing so fast when you look at what these agents can do. I mean, let's just count the ways they're already creating value. 1, they can automate entire business processes. 2, they provide proactive customer support before a customer even knows they have a problem. 3, they can generate complex data reports automatically. And 4, they can even help develop software by writing, testing, and debugging code. It's a game changer across so many industries.
So here's the crucial point, the big takeaway from all of this. When you learn one of these 3 skills, the architect, the whisperer, or the conductor, you aren't being replaced by AI. No way. You are putting yourself firmly in the pilot seat. You're the one steering this incredible technology.
I love this analogy because it just captures the new reality perfectly. Think about it. An airplane's autopilot is amazing, right? It can handle all the routine parts of a flight, but you still absolutely need a skilled human pilot to navigate turbulence, manage unexpected problems, and handle the big picture strategy. AI is the autopilot. Professionals with these skills, you're the pilots.
So as we wrap this up, the final question really isn't if AI is going to change your job, it's which of these 3 paths you're going to choose to master it. Are you going to be the architect, the one who builds the very foundations of intelligence? Will you be the whisperer, mastering that crucial art of communication? Or will you be the conductor, leading a whole orchestra of autonomous agents? The choice is yours.